Looking for a new TV but stuck between the TCL C6K and C855? Let's break down which one is right for you. Both are mini LED TVs with quantum dot tech. That means bright colors and deep blacks, but they're aimed at different buyers. The C6K is the budget pick. The C855 is last year's top model. Both are solid choices, but the differences matter. Here is where things get interesting. The C855 has way more dimming zones. We're talking over 2,000 zones compared to the C6K's 512. More zones means better control over light and dark areas. Brightness, the C855 hits 3,500 nits. That's insanely bright. The C6K maxes out around 600 to 1,000 nits. Fine for most rooms, but not as punchy. The C855 also has better color coverage at 97%. The C6K is still good, but not quite there. Gamers will love both. The C6K has 144 Hz refresh rate with AMD FreeSync, 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, solid gaming experience. The C855, same features, but with that brighter screen and better contrast. Your gamers will pop more. It also supports Dolby Vision gaming. The C855 has on-cue speakers with more power. The C6K has decent sound, but you'll probably want a soundbar either way. Both run Google TV, same processor, same smart features, no difference here. So which one? If you're on a budget and want great gaming, the C6K is excellent value. You get many LED tech without breaking the bank. But if you watch a lot of movies or want the best picture quality, spend more on the C855. Those extra dimming zones and that peak brightness make a real difference. For bright rooms, definitely go C855. For smaller spaces or casual viewing, the C6K does the job perfectly. That's it. Both are winners. Just pick based on your budget and needs. Links below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.